Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 This is Vijay Kumar. In the last lesson, we have to learn how to fetch the opportunity record based on record ID. In this lesson, we will be see how to display related list of record based on record ID. So here I will be display related record based on lookup relationship where child object is contact and parent is account. So let's jump to the my Salesforce credential. So this is my Salesforce org. This is a developer console. So here I will create a new component. So first go to the file, new, select Lightning component. Here I will be write the name of the component. So writing the related list CMP. Related list CMP, the name of the component. Then use the interface. So I am selecting checkbox and submit. Close this file. So here I am selecting interface. So as you can see, there is a high force colon has record ID. That means this component to access to related list of record from Apex class controller. So first I will create a div class SLDS P around medium, and there is a lightning card before the div container. Lightning card. This lightning card write all over the content. In the lightning card, I mention title, display, related list of record in our component. So in this I will create a table. I am adding a class name SLDS table, SLDS table border, SLDS table call border, inside the table I will create a table of head, T head. Inside the T head I will create a TR, then create a TH. I will create a first name, last name, email, and I will display the related list of records. So here is the parenthesis account. So I display the account ID and display the account name. And here I will display the account phone. So this is the first three column will be display a contact and last three column will be display the account. So after T head I will create a T body. Inside the T body I will display the data of contact, related list of account. So first I will create a Apex class. So in this controller I will calling the Apex class method. So now I am creating Apex class. Create Apex class. Write the name of the Apex class, related list controller. I am writing the name related list CTRL. That means controller. Here I will create a method. So first I will use annotation at the rate or I level. Then we'll create a method public static contact on list. I am passing the parameter record ID and here contact equal to select ID, first name, last name, email, account ID. Account ID is a lookup relationship between account and phone. And if you are getting related list of account, then account dot name. It will return the account dot name and account dot phone from contact where ID equal to colon and pass the parameter. And return one item. So here we will pass the curly bracket, open curly bracket and close curly bracket here. Then save the file. So here I am using contact and it will return a record of contact and related list of account based on this record ID. So we can use here list of contact. If you using list of contact, then you will copy and paste here list of contact, and in this case it will return single record because I am using the parameter record ID and this record ID passing into the where ID equal to this one. So in this case it's return a single record of contact and related of account. So returning this contact item, so first it will query and then return the record. So save this file. Now go to the JavaScript. So in this JavaScript, I will create a Aura handler do init function. Aura name init value C function always defined from C dot name the function. So do init. So I am passing the function name do init and save. I will also create a list type of or attribute. Name cone list. Okay, cone obj and type equal to list, and so I will store the record into this variable. So then go to the controller and create a do init function. This so do init function, it will be automatic execute whenever this component load on the page. So this function automatically execute. So I am using the same function, and if you creating a function in JavaScript, there is component, event, and helper, three parameter mandatory. So first I will get the method name from Apex class. So create a variable action equal to component get dot get, and here c dot method name. This is the method name. So I need to call this controller into the our component. So copy this controller name, go to the component, and here top of the component we need to pass the controller equal to name of the Apex class controller. So this is my Apex class controller. So this is a technique to call the Apex class controller into the Aura component. First controller equal to name of the controller. And in the JavaScript, first we get the method name. So I create a variable action component.get out method name. Then this action dot set parameter dot set params in the bracket curly bracket pass the parameter colon. So this is the parameter of the Apex class method. So pass the specific colon in the colon component dot get v dot record ID. It will return the current record ID of the record. So passing the value current record ID component get record ID. Then action dot set callback. Set in the set callback using the this and create a function. In this function pass the response parameter and here we'll check the status state and here response dot get state. After getting the state, I will check if a state is equal to success. If state double equal to got success, the double quote write a capital letter success. Then I will create a variable result response dot get return value get return value. So here I am storing the get return value into this variable. Now I will set the return value into the attribute. So this is my on object. So component or set v dot attribute name comma result. So I am storing this result into this variable. After this action, this is the callback action. Close here. So after callback action, we use the $a dot include action. and pass the action that you getting from method. So this is the action where I am getting the apex class method. So this action will pass into the enqueue action. So that this JavaScript and apex class method will be sync each other. Then save the file. So I am getting error. Let me check. So I am getting this error. In the set parameter, there is no semicolon. So remove the semicolon from here. Then save the file. So now I have saved this component JavaScript. Now go to the HTML. Here I will display the list of record. So I will use Aura iteration. Aura column iteration. In the Aura iteration, there is a two property items and var. Items equal to and var equal to. So we in the item will pass the this object called object because this attribute hold the returning value. Component set this object. So this object holding the returning value of the class method. So this name will pass the curly bracket one item dot first name. TD. So here copy this TD, paste 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 TD 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here pass the name of the field. So first name, then last name, then email, then account ID, account dot name, account dot phone. So I am passing all of the field name. So this data display in this table body and it will coming from apex class method. So this apex class method calling into JavaScript, and this JavaScript get the method name, and here I am setting the result, and this object I am using the or iteration. So one by one all of the data will be displayed in the tr and body. So now save the file. Now go to the Salesforce. Now I am calling this component in the contact record detail page. So this is the contact, and this is the I am opening any of the contact and edit the page. I will call here right side. So my component name related list component. So search here related. This is my component. Select and drag and drop here. Save. Layout has been saved. Then go back. And here you can see first name, last name, email, account ID, account name, and account phone. So all of the value display in this inside the table. So there is no space. So it will if I am scrolling this horizontal scroll, then it will visible all of the value because there is no much more space to display. So if you calling this component here, then will be display proper. edit. I am removing from here because not much space, and my component is related this component. So this time I am display here and save, then go back. So here you can see display related list of record in our component. This is my title that is coming from lightning card, and this record display based on the record ID. This is a current record of this contact. So this is the first name, last name, and email. It is a contact, and account ID, account name, and account phone. It is a related list of data of account. So this is a account. This is lookup relationship account name. If checking, check. So this is the name of the tech W3BF6, and this is the phone number. So if you are stuck in anything of issue to display related list of record based on record ID, please write in comment box, and don't forget to check and subscribe my channel Tech W3B. Thank you.